Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBase.com. Welcome to this week's Commitments of Traders review. Today we're going to have a look at the 49th COT report in 2013. And as usual, we're going to start off with the changes in commercials positions. So here we go. Copper is on top of our list, 22% change in commercials positions and a 28% change in large speculators. Here we have the changes, definitely much larger than average. We do see similarly large changes in the past. We had a few following each other over here preceding this rally. Then in the same direction, we have another large extreme pointing downwards, actually, just over here at this top. So you can see that actually the last larger change a few reports ago was a bullish type COT change signal pushing prices higher. So just by these few examples, one can state that possibly COT change signals in copper market are actually valuable signals. We should expect a bit of a decline in prices just by looking at this recent report. Opening a 5-year chart, we're going to have a look at the extreme, whether this tells us a different picture. As you can see, not long ago we were talking about a very bullish type COT extreme, and as you can see, prices have reacted. They're going higher. So in that respect, I would be cautious taking any serious short trades just because of this COT change signal. Maybe in the near term, one might consider taking some profits if you took a long trade over here. I don't know, it's up to your strategy, but one thing's for sure, don't forget, COT extremes usually influence prices on the longer term. They're more trend reversal changes, basically, while COT change may affect prices in the near term. Okay, moving on to sugar, where we had a 17% change in commercials positions, a 19% change in large speculators. All this happening after a steep decline in prices. Now, looking at the COT charts, even on this 1-year time frame, you can see there's something very, very interesting happening at this point, at this top over here. May it be that the COT report signaled this top? Well, hey guys, looking at the 5-year chart, you can see that yes, the COT analysis was again very effective over here, and you may check my report on that at that time, and I was talking to you about a possible short opportunity over here because of this wide extreme in the market. You can see that prices have reacted, and that we're a bit away from bullish type extreme levels. So if you look at this chart, the last time we had a major extreme was a couple of months ago here in mid 2013, the beginning of 2013, when commercials were actually net long. They're net short right now, roughly at 60,000-70,000 contracts net short. So that means we still have some time left in this decline, I believe. So again, the bullish type change signal may affect prices in the near term. But the broader perspective over here, looking at this chart, suggests that decline can continue. Russell 2000, our next market, we have a 14% change in commercials positions, 18 in large speculators. Nothing that special, larger than average, more of a bullish COT change signal. You can see actually the last report we had a bearish, an even larger change, and you can see how well that signaled a bit of a decline in prices. 5-year chart, just to have a look at the extreme. Here we go. You can see we don't have one, so it's not really suggesting that this is the top. Everybody's waiting for that top eventually to happen in indexes. The COT report in Russell 2000 at the moment does not indicate anything that suggests this is the exact top. If you look back over here, this was our last major, possibly close to all-time COT extreme, affecting prices on a very short-term basis. Basically didn't change the trend. It's still up, so nothing big clue over there. Moving on to the large speculator COT extreme. Here we go. Cocoa, live cattle, and rough rice markets we're going to talk about. Cocoa as our first market. We have an all-time COT Extreme over there in large speculators. Here we go. You can see how wide the extreme is right now and suggesting prices should decline. And if you look at the chart, we may actually have some pretty good opportunities entering a short trade. Actually, nothing that special about this market. You can go and have a look at previous examples in the cocoa market. Every time we had such an extreme bearish type COT extreme, you can see how well prices reacted to the COT signal. Live cattle, our next market, 155 report extreme in large speculators, and an even greater 164 report extreme in commercials. Opening the 5-year chart, everything is going to be more visible over there. Here we go. You can see how large this COT extreme is actually. Not all time. We do see even greater extremes in the past. But still, it's definitely a large one, something to talk about. Again, suggesting prices should fall. So, great signal over there. Rough rice, our next and last market for today. We have 109 report extreme over there. Here we go. You can see the chart. And I talked about this last week that we are actually close to, on this 5 years chart, you can see well how close we are to the upper band in case of commercial, suggesting in the long-term perspective, this is more of a bullish extreme than a bearish one. But on the near term, looking at a, let's say a 2-3 years time range, it's closer to a relative bearish extreme. Question is, which one should we consider? Well, we may say that we give a bigger chance for this stagnating situation to continue than for the big rally to start. Well, I think it's really up to your strategy and other technical analysis tools to help you decide that question. But one thing's for sure, the extreme is there, some kind of an extreme, and COT analysis may be used in that respect. Okay, that's going to be all for this week. If you would like to have a look at other COT charts, you can do so at our COT charts page. If you would like to have a more in-depth and detailed COT analysis, well, check out our COT analysis page. You can add other great functions to our table, the long-term trend, volume, and open interest scores, and the COT index. And of course, you can look at new COT report types, data types, and do historical analysis, all sorts of very useful functions at cotbase.com. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I hope to see you next week. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.